Hey guys, if your iPhone is stuck on this red battery screen, then keep watching as I'm going to show you a few ways that we can fix this. Now obviously this red battery symbol indicates that you have a low battery or no battery on your phone. So I'm going to make the assumption that you've already tried charging it. Now, if you have tried charging it and it's still stuck on this red battery, the first thing that I would recommend doing is changing the charging cable that you're currently using. And you also want to try changing the charging block. So once you've tried changing both the cube and the wire, we can then rule out these two things. If that still doesn't solve the issue, the next thing I'd recommend doing is try plugging in your phone to a laptop instead. So rather than trying to charge your phone from the iPhone to the charging socket, instead run this charging cable from your phone over to your laptop port, and you can try charging it from here instead. Now, if you've tried all different methods of charging your device and it's just stuck on the red battery and there's nothing you can do to get rid of it, the only thing we can really do here is you need to grab yourself a hairdryer. Now what we're going to do is we're going to heat up the battery at the back, and this can often get the iPhone functioning and turning on again. So what we're going to do is we're just going to plug in our hairdryer, and you want to set this to either a medium to high setting. Then you're going to place the iPhone on its back like so. This is where the battery is located on the back here. And then you're just going to turn your hairdryer on, and we want to keep this going for about 1 to 2 minutes just to heat up the back. You want to make sure it's nice and hot. You don't want it too hot to the point where it's burning your fingers or anything ridiculous like that. You just want to heat it up so we already get the battery warm. And you can also do this as well by leaving your phone out in the sun. If you live in a hot country, you can leave it outside for a couple of hours in direct sunlight, and this will achieve a similar sort of effect. So once your battery is nice and hot, you then need to plug it into charge like so. So I'm just going to plug this into my iPhone and into the wall socket. And whilst this is on charge, we're then going to head back over to the hairdryer. And once again, we're going to further hairdryer for another 1 to 2 minutes like so. But then after about 1 to 2 minutes, we're just going to leave this on charge now. It can take anywhere up to a couple of hours in order for this device to turn itself back on. Sometimes it's as little as 10 minutes. So you just want to leave this on charge now until the device powers back on. And that should have now solved the red battery icon issue. If you have tried this and you still can't power on your device, it's probably a good idea to take in your device to an Apple Care professional. The battery is probably completely dead and you probably need to replace it. But if this video did help you, then please let me know in the comments and drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.